I'm Maria Bailey of ilovepopcorn.com, and if you're like me, you love popcorn. You love to eat it, you like to cook with it, you like to see it, you like to wear it on a t-shirt. But I've got a couple of fun facts for you that you might not know about popcorn. First of all, popcorn is the #2 most popular snack out there. Thank goodness for that, because the site could have been called ilovepotatochips.com, which is the #1 most popular snack food in America. But you know, potato chips has all of those. It's got sugar, it's got carbohydrates, it's got salt. It's really bad for you. But fortunately for us popcorn lovers, we can make our favorite snack with a lot of low calories and a lot of whole grains. Really great that #2 most popular snack in the United States is popcorn. So let's talk about popcorn. You may just be a lover who eats it and you dip it into your bag and you take it out and you plop it in your mouth. Well, did you know that there's actually 2 kinds of popcorns? One is called mushroom popcorn, and that's the popcorn that you typically see that has maybe chocolate on it or caramel, and it's round in shape. So the reason why they use the mushroom popcorn is because it has a large surface area that can absorb the coating of whatever sort they're going to put on it. So typically you will only see caramel popcorn made from mushroom. Here's some other good pieces that you can see. See how round it is? Can hold a lot of the flavor right there on the surface. Now, some people don't like the mushroom as much because of the texture. They like to eat the other kind. So the second kind of popcorn is called butterfly popcorn, and this is typically the popcorn that you'll make at home. It's called butterfly because it's got a lot of wings on it, and it kind of goes out in a lot of different directions. Every now and then you'll see a larger piece that maybe resembles a mushroom popcorn, but for the most part, butterfly popcorn takes on a lot of different shapes, and I don't know, maybe it's like snowflakes where there's no 2 popcorn kernels exactly alike. Speaking of popcorn kernels, there's many different types of popcorn kernels as well, and you may notice this at the grocery store. So this is a handful of the white butterfly popcorn. And I want to show you the difference between that and the mushroom popcorn. So this is the mushroom popcorn. It's a yellow corn, and this is typically what they'll use for making industrial popcorn or commercial popcorn. And this is what you'll buy in the store. Notice the difference in size. These kernels are much larger than the butterfly. Now, have you ever wondered why some kernels, some popcorn pops really big pieces and then there's some that pop really little pieces? Well, it has to do with the amount of moisture in these kernels. So there are some kernels that have up to 30% moisture in them, and then there's some that have as low as 5% moisture. And those that don't have a lot of moisture are going to really create a robust piece of popcorn. So you can find popcorn grown all over the United States. We're one of the top producers in the world. And so it's no doubt why popcorn is the #2 snack food in America. I'm Maria Bailey. Life is so much better popped.